Welcome back to this week's Tuesday Tip with Tom. In this episode, we're going to cover how to tell if you have template tags for add-ons specifically that are in use that are no longer present in your ExpressionEngine install. Alright, so for starters, we're going to log into our control panel. We're going to go to Tools, Utilities, then we're going to go down to this Debug Template Tags. So what you'll notice here is there's checkboxes next to the template tags that appear and are installed and should be functioning. However, you might have an old add-on that was replaced by the core in your install from maybe an older version of ExpressionEngine you upgraded. But you need to go in and you need to clean up these templates. So what you can do is click on this tag and it'll show you the templates that's currently in use on. You can click on these, you can go in, you can find it in use, remove it, save this one. Alright, this one we're just going to go ahead and delete for now. We'll save it. And come back here, close this, refresh, and you'll notice that it's no longer listed. It's as simple as that.